Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys, and welcome back to another video. We are at Walmart today to hopefully, crossing my fingers and toes, that we can knock out our weekend bonus. For that, I need 15 rebates for $5, and my halftime, I need 18. I think I need 18 more rebates. So hopefully we can wrap it up. 18 rebates for $15, which is just awesome in itself. I'm hoping I can share it. I'm always happy when I can share new deals with y'all because I feel like a lot of deals are on repeat, but at the same time, I always share them because I know that everybody, you guys don't watch every video. Like, there's only one person, well, two people that watch every single video, myself and my beau. But I know you guys don't watch every single video, so that's why I always toss the repeats in. But of course, I'm always excited when I can share new deals with you guys. Of course, I'll have a Google Doc for you guys to follow along that way. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, are you happy I don't have black on? I feel like every video that I post, I have black on. But that's just because I think I look good with black. I mean, I think I look good with any color, but I think I look good with black. Like, I don't know. That's just me. Maybe it's in my head. I don't know. But if you're new here and it's your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button to support your girl. And don't forget to ring a ding that notification bell so you don't miss out on a video. So listen, I have some awesome deals to share with you guys. So without further ado,
so the first deal that I'm gonna grab is gonna be on the Old El Paso taco seasoning. These are priced at 88 cents. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of them, get back 25 cents on Ibotta, making them only 63 cents each. This deal is on the Pepsi Zero. I did mention this in my last video, but I didn't realize it was a free offer for it. I was watching Savvy with Danielle, and she mentioned it in her video. We're gonna grab two of these. They're priced at $2.18 each. You'll pay $4.36 out of pocket, but then you're gonna end up getting back $2.18 from Ibotta. And you want to text free 0 to 81234, making the second one absolutely free as well. So I was super stoked when I got the surveys for the chips on Flavor Wiki, because I feel like I haven't gotten anything on there in like a minute, and I know that some of you guys probably got it like earlier this week, and so I just kept checking and it popped up for me today. So I did add a link on my community post for you guys to check out, and so it's on snacks. It's on these minis though, and so for this, there's one for Doritos minis, there's one for the Sun Chips. I literally had to climb all the way to the top and grab it from there without that box falling on my head. But this is the only store that carries the Sun Chips. So they have this one, and then they also have one on the Cheetos Cheddar, and they have one on the Flaming Cheetos, which the only one I can't find is the Flaming Cheetos. So yeah, and then they're $2.28 and you're getting back $4. So it makes them $1.72 money maker for each one. There is one more though that's not a mini. It's the Pringles cheddar right here. So you're gonna grab this one too. This one is $1.96. You're gonna get back $4, which would make that one a $2.04 money maker. But let me show you what I'm gonna do. Is I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 4 cans. Josiah absolutely loves the red ones, the original ones. So we're gonna grab 3 of those, and then we're gonna grab 1 can of the cheddar. The total is gonna come to $7.84. You'll get back 75 cents for buying 4 on Ibotta. You'll get back the $4 for the cheddar one on Flavor Wiki, and then we're also gonna submit on coupons.com for $1 back when you buy 4 as well. So to bring it down to $2.09 are only 52 cents each, which I think is great considering they're normally $2 per can. And this is something I gotta buy anyway, so I might as well get a great deal on it. This next deal is going to be on the Herdez salsa. I was over here just scanning products to see if I could get one to apply, and the only one that did is this one right here, the salsa Caesar. It's priced at $1, and you're going to get back $1 on Ibotta, so it'd make that absolutely free. And the limit on this is 5, so I'm going to go ahead and just max this out. It's no surprise. We're grabbing the Evolve again. It's priced at $3.78. Gonna get back $1.39 on Ibotta. Plus it's a 10-cent any protein shake as well. Bringing this down to $1.29. This next deal is gonna be on the 7-Up Zero Sugar. I already grabbed like a bunch of these. Well, not a bunch. I grabbed 4 of them earlier this week, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab 2 more. They're priced on rollback for $4.98. So you're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll end up paying $9.96 out of pocket, but you'll get back $3 on Ibotta and $5.34 on My Points, which makes these only 81 cents per case. This next deal is going to be on the Huggies wipes. This is the 64 count. It's priced at $2.27. So I'm going to grab one of those. I'll be getting back 25 cents and then a 10-cent any rebate on Ibotta. There's also 50 cents back on coupons.com, and then on my Best Reward, I have a rebate for 75 cents and for 50 cents. So if those both attach, it'll make this only 17 cents. So this next deal is on the Airwick Essential Mist. It's gonna be on this one right here, which is the cheaper one, priced at $8.97. We're gonna grab that, and then there's a rebate on Ibotta that just literally popped up this morning for $12 back. So it's gonna make that a $3 and 3-cent money maker. So since that one is making us money, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Airwick Vibrant one. It's gonna be on the 2 count. Now I did happen to scan the one with the warmer, and it didn't work for that one, so we're gonna grab this one right here. It's priced at $6.48, and then for this one, the rebate back on Ibotta is $4, so it's gonna make this $2.48. But since this one is making us $3 and this one is $2.48, they'll still both be free, plus like a 50-cent money maker. And so yeah, so I've been over here just kind of like looking through their makeup. They have a ton, which is crazy because they actually slowed down on the makeup clearance for a while there. And so I was looking through this one right here. I've actually found quite a bit in here that are really, really cheap. We have rebates on Ibotta for Revlon. We have $4, which is awesome because I don't think we've ever had them that high before. Limit is 5, so I found this particular one here for $2, and then I found these actually for $1.50. All of these were $3.82, I want to say. Yeah, all these are $3.82. I found these for $2.50, so those would be a nice money maker. Over here trying to scan stuff for the Revlon $4 face. This one right here works. It's priced at $5.48. So you'll get back the $4. Since I do have some overage to play with, I'm gonna go ahead and just grab the 2 that they have. And so I think that's all that I'm gonna get over here. We'll grab all 4 of these. We'll get back $4 on Ibotta for those. So that'll be like a $1.50 money maker for each one. Then we'll grab these 5 here. Ibotta will give me a $2 money maker for these, and it'll give me a $2.50 money maker here. Next deal is on the Oral-B toothbrushes. Man, I wish the limit was 5 because I would kill this deal. So a lot of these are on clearance. I found this one for $1.49, which is freaking awesome, right? They also have, well, SpongeBob is spin brush for $1.37. I thought of getting that one for Josiah, but we need to master him brushing his teeth every day first. Or maybe that would give him the incentive to do that. But listen, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of these. They're priced at $1.49, and then the rebate on Ibotta is $2, making that a 50-cent money maker. Although I'm thinking of grabbing 2 of them. At least they'll both be 50 cents after the rebate. And so yeah, I found a great deal on the Cetaphil. It's on the body wash. These are on clearance. I actually got it for $3.99 yesterday. This one is scanning for $4.49. And so you're gonna grab one. Well, for me, I grabbed the one at $4. I submitted on coupons.com for $3 back, and then $2 back on Ibotta. So I made it like a $1.01 money maker, and I grabbed 2 of them. The other thing that I found here was the deodorant, the Axe. I saw these when I was here the other day, and they're on clearance. So I found this particular one, the Anarchy one, 48-hour fresh and dry. It's scanning for $2.33. So I'm gonna use this $2 coupon right here. I'll make it 33 cents. You have rebates on Best Reward. Let me see, not those. Maybe these right here would work. This one right here would probably work for $1 back. So let me see. Limit is 5. and 5 submissions per user. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to get at least 5 on one transaction. It'll be a moneymaker. So yeah. Really quick, guys. I found this yesterday at a different store. They have some here, but they're like $12 still, which is regular price. So I found this one at a different store yesterday. The Eucerin body wash. It was on clearance for $307. So I brought it back today to return it and use the coupon since I didn't have my coupon with me for $3 off. So I made this only 7 cents. And then also it's tracking for quickqs.com spend 30 get back I think 6. And so yeah, this last deal that I'm gonna grab is gonna be on, well, I'm not gonna grab it, but I'm gonna share it with you. It's on the St. Joseph low-dose aspirin price at $4.42. We're gonna grab one, and we'll use this $2 coupon right here from our inserts. You'll end up paying $2.42 out of pocket and getting back $1.50 on Ibotta, making that only 92 cents. Here is my haul for today, you guys. I love food. I do. I cannot wait to try these. I haven't did my surveys yet. I'm gonna do them after I finish this video. But I love when I can get food, you guys. I absolutely love it. And so this haul right here makes me super duper happy. On top of that, I got the Eucerin body wash, which retails like almost $13. And I got these, which are about what, $10. So to get all of this plus moneymaker and grab those 2 items is awesome. And I get to try this one, which these are so pretty. And so super stoked about this haul, you guys. So listen, everything worked out really good. I didn't have a lot of coupons. I only had the $2 coupons on the Axe, which came perfectly fine. And I wasn't gonna grab so many because I thought I had this rebate on both of my Fetch accounts, but I actually only have the $1 back on one of them. So luckily it was the one that I submitted for $5, got back $5. And then the other 4 ended up just being like cheap. They ended up being like 33 cents each, but I figured since the first 5 made me money, it still makes them all free anyway, so I went ahead and just grabbed them all on that. But that coupon scanned perfectly fine, and then I had the coupon for the Eucerin. Now for this, I ended up doing a post coupon. One of you guys asked me what a post coupon is. Basically, when you take the item back, you return it and you repurchase it using the coupon. So that's what I did with that. And that $3 coupon from Insert scanned perfectly fine. And then again, that's going to track for the spend 30 get back 6 on quickqs.com. Other than that, what else? I didn't mention the core in the video because I know y'all probably tired of seeing the core deal and the proper good deal posted, but they are deals that are still going on. And so yeah, and they're still freebies. So I figure why not? Other than that, what else? Oh, and then for the Huggies, I noticed for the Huggies, I had a rebate on Alexa. I had 2 50-cent offers on there. So I went ahead and submitted that on there. So made that a small money maker. What else? Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it for this haul. So everything you see here retails $132.96. I did have $21 in coupons, which brought my out-of-pocket down to $111.96. Now, this is $7.43 in sales tax. So I got back $96.20 from Ibotta. I got back $96 from Aisles. I'm not sure if the Pepsi is actually an Aisles deal. But I put it under there, so it's $9.36. And then Shopkick was $110. Flavor Wiki will be $20. My Points is $5.34. Fetch Reward is $6.25. Coupons.com was $3. ShopMium was $4.75. And Alexa was $2.75. So I got back a total of $148.75 in rebates, making everything you see here free, plus a $36.79 moneymaker, you guys. And even after tax, we still made almost 30 bucks, $29.36. So this ended up being a really awesome weekend haul for me. The Revlon alone was like a $17, $18 moneymaker. And if they had 5 of these, for face, I probably would have went ahead and just grabbed them because I knew that these were going to be money makers. Really quick, one of you guys wanted to know the Shea Moistures that I got on clearance last week. I didn't show them because it wasn't like a rebate deal. It was just a coupon. But I found these. They're normally almost $8. They were on clearance for $3.99. And I grabbed 2 of them and I used the 6 off of 2 coupons. So I made these only 99 cents each. But one of you guys wanted to see these. And so yeah, those are the ones that I got. Other than that, guys, if you made it this far into the video, I want to see a beach emoji and that's going to enter you in a surprise giveaway for a $20 Walmart gift card or e-card. I'm going to choose 2 winners, and you can submit as many beach emojis as you want. And I'm going to do the giveaway in my next Walmart video, which will be for my midweek, which will probably be Wednesday, I'm going to say. So good luck to all of you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.